So what is a JayLab? JayLab is a space where creativity meets technology. Often you have creatives and developers working isolated. This is where we bring it together. It's a room full of, well, a drawable table, a drawable wall on both sides, magnetic walls, and full of gadgets where we can create the future of technology together. So we are software experts and we are design experts, and we bring that together in a complete harmony here and develop the next thing. Well, here is this place for technology workshops, design sprints, technology sprints, where we bring in designers, developers, business owners, those involved in making the product a hit, just to make the UIs of tomorrow the best possible to reach the user's goals.